This dog is a true lifesaver. When a woman suddenly started acting strange on the couch, her dog immediately jumped into action. He saw she was having an epileptic seizure and quickly ran to get her medication, barking at her to take it. Realizing it was too late and she was already in the middle of the seizure, the dog jumped on her, staying close to help her relax and prevent any further injuries. Seizures can leave a person unaware of what's happening, but this dog knew exactly how to help. He stayed calm, watching over her, and ensured her safety.